Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with my everyday natural makeup look. So this is the look what you're seeing right now is my everyday go-to makeup look. So this is how I like to go to my office on everyday basis. This is a no foundation makeup look. I have not used any foundation in this creating this makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this everyday easy natural makeup, so if you want to see how I created this look which can be worn for office or a college, then keep on watching. Before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and family. So let's get started with today's video. So let's start with today's video. First of all, I'll be using a moisturizer in the sense I'm not using any cream, but I'm using this serum which is from Body Shop. This is their drops of light serum. So this acts as a very good moisturizer, and also it will make my pigmentation come low, means it will avoid my dark spots which I have if I use on a day-to-day basis. So I'll be using this serum. So I'll just take this all over my face like that, and I just massage it. You should use this serum without any cream on your skin. So my skin has nothing as of now, so I'm just using this serum. Once it is set for 1 to 2 minutes, next I'll be using a sunscreen. So using a sunscreen on a day-to-day basis is a very necessary thing. So I'm using this Lakmé sunscreen lotion. So I'll just take half a pump of that and I'll apply all over my face and neck area and massage it very nicely. Next, I'll be using a concealer. On a day-to-day basis, I won't be using any foundation as such, because I won't like my skin to be over makeup or using a lot of products on my skin on a day-to-day. So I'll be using just one concealer. I'm not using any foundation. So the concealer I'm using is from Allegra Pro Concealer. I am in the shade Warm Honey. I'll just take this under my eye area because I'll be using a lot of Kajal on it every day, because I can't live without Kajal. So using a Kajal regularly makes your under eye area very dark. So this, just to cancel that out, I'm using this concealer, and also I'll take this.
And it will cover up your dark circles, dark spots very nicely, and it doesn't look heavy on your skin as well.
Once my concealer is nicely blended, as I mentioned, I am not using any foundation, but I'll be using this MAC Studio Fix Compact. This is a foundation plus powder formula, so it has a coverage as well. So without using foundation, if you want to cover up and look brighter all day long, you need to go with this MAC Studio Fix. So I'll just take that on the beauty blender like that. You can see the difference in a while. I'll just apply. You can see it's covering my dark spots and dark circles as well. You can see the difference between both the eyes. I love this compact. So just I'm going with the same compact where I need a little bit of coverage as well, like that. Don't use this compact with a brush. It doesn't give so much coverage when using with a brush. So we use a beauty blender.
That's it I'm using for my base. Next I'll be directly moving on to my eyes. So for the eyes I'll be using this Health and Glow Kajal. So I'll be applying on my lower water lid and also as an eyeliner today. So I'll just apply it on my lower waterline first.
And also I'll be taking on my upper lid area as an eyeliner. To set the kajal in place all day long, I'll be using a small trick right over here. I'm not setting this kajal with any eyeshadow. This will go off if it is in summer or if you are sweating a lot and your under eye area is very greasy. Eyeliner or a kajal with an eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, it will smudge in after 4 to 5 hours. But using a liquid eyeliner on top of the kajal will make your eyeliner sit for 8 to 9 hours without moving it at all. So I'll be taking a liquid eyeliner. This is from the Dazler. So what I'll do is I'll lightly apply this eyeliner on top of the kajal where I have applied on my upper lid area and also lower line as well. So I'll just going over the kajal. You can see the difference on both the eyes. So I'll just do the same on my upper lid area as well. To complete the eye look, I'll be using a mascara. This is a very must on a day-to-day basis because it will open up your eyes instantly. Next for the lips, I'll be using this liquid lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, so using a glossy lipstick for office is not preferable. So I'll be using a matte, but if you are a glossy lover, you can use the gloss as well. So I'll be using this M&M liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade 23. So I'll be applying this. As it is a matte lipstick, it will make the lipstick little bit dull. It doesn't look so much bright. Finally, I'll be using a lip pencil and I'll just apply on outer line. So that's the end of the look. I just applied some bindi and a perfume. I'm ready to go to the office. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and also comment below what type of video you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.